Warm, heart pounding, palms sweating, a chill running down the spine when seeing a snake or snake-like creature. The body's reaction is instant panic. Why is this? Why are we more afraid of snakes than things that are many times more dangerous in the modern world? The answer lies deep in our DNA, an evolutionary legacy that has helped our ancestors survive for millions of years. Scientists call this phenomenon preparatory learning. Your brain is like a new phone, pre-installed with a super installer for the Snake Fear app. The app doesn't run yet, but it's ready. Just one time seeing an adult panic when encountering a snake or just hearing a scary story, the installer is immediately activated. The brain will immediately download and lock the image of a snake into the red alert zone almost forever. We are hardwired to fear snakes and spiders faster and more deeply than any other danger. This is also a common trait among primates. Consider this experiment. Monkeys or chimpanzees are born and raised in sterile laboratories. They have never seen a forest in their lives and certainly never seen a snake. Yet when scientists put a fake snake or even just a moving piece of rubber band in their cage, they immediately panic, scream in warning, and run as far away as possible. They don't need anyone to teach them. That fear is encoded deep in their genes. It is a terrifying memory of their arch enemy that has been passed down through millions of generations. Here's the fascinating part. Anthropologist Lynn Ispel has come up with a revolutionary hypothesis called the snake detection hypothesis. It is snakes that have given humans and primates the keen eyesight they have today. For our tiny ancestors, those with sharper eyes to spot the shimmering scales in the dense foliage survived and passed on their genes. Over time, this survival pressure reshaped our brains. They developed special clusters of neurons in the visual cortex that do just one thing: detect slithering motions and undulating shapes faster than the blink of an eye. That's why you might walk past a beautiful flower without noticing, but jump if you see a waterspout stirring in the grass. Your brain prioritizes detecting a threat before determining whether it's real or not, because, evolutionary logic, it's better to be wrong than dead. There's a fascinating paradox in psychology. The more we fear something, the more we become fascinated by it. Because the snake represents sudden death, mystery, and uncontrollable power, ancient people turned it into a symbol of ultimate power and rebirth. The Aztecs worshipped Quetzalcoatl, the creator god, in the form of a feathered snake. In ancient Egypt, the uraeus cobra was mounted on the pharaoh's crown, representing divine power. And most famously, it is the symbol of medicine. Here is an interesting confusion. We often see the caduceus, two snakes wrapped around a winged staff, but this is actually a symbol of commerce and the messenger of Hermes. The correct and original symbol of medicine is the rod of Asclepius, only one snake and no wings, representing healing and wisdom. Next time you shudder at the sight of a snake, don't be embarrassed. Just silently thank that wonderful warning system. It is an SOS signal from millions of years of evolution echoing in your mind, reminding you to respect the power of nature. That fear is not a weakness, but the strongest bond between you and the great history of life on Earth.